Hey guys, it's Simaual, and it's dust storming. I don't know why. Should have brought goggles out here, but now I can't see. Anyways, yes, that brown layer above, under the clouds, that's all dust. I don't know why this is occurring. And it's really windy and about to storm. So I'm gonna go inside where I can actually see and not go blind. Safety!
What?
Say hi to my friends on YouTube. She's making dinner. Yeah, so you can't see because of the light. But it's really, really windy and really, really dusty. As I stated. I don't know. I just thought it was cool. I mean, because look at all. Oh, look, my bracelet. Anyways, look. It's all just a giant dust cloud. Anyways, guys, I thought I should share. Catch you guys later.